All right, guys, lesson 5. This is really cool. There's a scribble tool. You just drag and drop it onto your screen, and then this totally changes the screen here. And then you can scribble, and you can write whatever you want on it. I'm going to write my name. And then it'll show you up here what it would look like in 3D. But you don't just have to write your name. You can make a shape like a wave or something like that. And then down here you've got these tools. So one's an add and one's subtract. So what you're going to do is basically you're pulling out this shape here, and you just want to kind of play around with it and see what that does. And then if you look up here, you can see, well, that's a little hard to see. You'd be able to see that these things are pulled out here. And here's the subtract tool. So if you want to actually take out a chunk of this, you can do that. So this way you can add textures to different things. All right, now let's take a look. I'm going to click the done button and let's take a closer look at that. So there's my waves, and this is where I subtracted. Right over here, subtracting, and this is my adding. And then if I want to change the size of it, like the height, I'm going to grab this. I can shrink this down. I can raise it up by grabbing this little handle here, and then it's floating. And there we've got the scribble tool.